So this is 11:26 at the dumpster area, and you just see the person coming around the corner here. They've obviously got some kind of cell phone or something. There's lights going off. It looks like they took an Uber and the Uber turned round and went round the other way, but it's difficult to tell. They stop here right at what looks like a truck to me, like a pickup truck. They make a clicking noise, not sure what that's all about, just before they get to the truck. And then they kind of stop and then they start again. And it's difficult to tell if this person is a man or a woman, but there are some people walking behind over here. So, you know, somebody should have seen this, probably, I think. It's difficult to tell if this is a man or a woman, but the person is tall with a strange gait. To me, the gait seems very similar to the 315 person at the dumpster. And they've got, you know, similar things going on, like they walk similar direction, they've got a bag, they've got, it looks similar gait and tallness and things like that. The bag is new, definitely got some stuff with them. I don't know if that's Kohberger, if it's a guy, I don't know.